Next question. Ramesh owns a plot of the land on which he intends to construct apartment units for sale. Number of apartment units to be constructed may be either 10 or 15. So we have been provided with the information that say we are considering to construct the number of apartments will be either 10 or 15. The total construction cost for these alternatives are estimated to be 600 lakhs or 1025 lakhs respectively. So we have been provided with the information about the construction cost. In case of 10 it is 600 lakhs and in case of 15 it is 1025 lakhs. Like that information is given. The current market price for each of the apartment unit is 80 lakhs. So information is given that say today the price is 80 lakhs. Okay. The market value after a year for the apartment units will depend upon the conditions of the market. So after 1 year, what would be the price? That depends upon the market situation. If the market is buoyant, each apartment unit will be sold for 91 lakhs. If it is sluggish, the sale price of the same will be only 75 lakhs. So information is given to us. The price may increase up to an amount of 91 lakhs or it may fall down to 75 lakhs. Determine current value of the vacant plot of the land. That is a question. Question says further, should Ramesh start construction now or keep the land vacant? The yearly rental per apartment unit is 7 lakhs and the risk-free rate of interest is only 10%. Assume that say the construction cost will remain unchanged. So the construction cost will remain same 600 lakhs or 1025 lakhs whether we do it today or we do it after 1 year. Like that information is given. Everybody is requested to pay attention. Let me explain you the question. The question is providing the information something like this. It is year 0 and year 1. See today either we can construct 10 units or we can construct 15 units. Okay, we have the option either to construct 10 units or 15 units. Selling price today is like so today if at all we do the construction of 10 units and we sell it, then 80 lakhs per unit into 10. We will get an amount of 800 lakhs and in case of 15 it is 80 lakhs into 15. In that case we will get an amount of 1200 lakhs. This is what we understand is the sale value of the plot. The construction cost will be 600 lakhs in the first case and in second case it will be an amount of 1025 lakhs. So difference between both of them. So this is the sale value. This is the construction cost. And difference of that will be the profit or loss. So in the first case it will be 200 lakhs. In the second case it will be 175 lakhs. It means that say today if at all we are going to construct the apartment units, then in that case it would be wise or it would be preferable for us to construct 10 number of units. Okay. We may do the construction after 1 year. If at all you do the construction after 1 year, In that case, say there are two possibilities that say we have. One is that say the price of the flats might have gone up, and another is say the price of flats might have gone down. So here it is up, or otherwise it may fall down. If it is up, and in that case suppose you construct 10 units, and what will happen, and 15 units, what will happen, let us see. In case of 10 units, it will be 91 lakhs what we will get per flat into 10. So it is 910 lakhs minus the construction cost is an amount of 600 lakhs. So we will get 310 lakhs. If at all you construct 15 units, then 91 lakhs into 15, this is what say you will get. So 91 into 15, that is 1365. And your construction cost will be 1025. So you will get the difference. What is the difference? It is 340 lakhs. And if at all the price falls and you construct 10 units, then what will happen? Per flat you will get 75 lakhs into 10, 750 lakhs minus 600. So it is 150 lakhs. Then 75 lakhs into 15, 1125 minus 1025. So 1125 minus 1025. In that case, you will get an amount of 100 lakhs. So what happens at say, if at all the price falls down, then in that case it is, if at all the price falls down, then in that case for 10 units, you will get 150 lakhs and 15 units you will get 100 lakhs. So year 0, year 1, price increases, price decreases. So today what you should do, if at all you are going to construct the apartment units today, then in that case you should construct 10 units, and on construction of 10 units you will get an amount of profit of 200 lakhs. So over here you will get an amount of 200 lakhs. If the price increases, then in that case what you should do, you should construct 15 units, and in that case you will get a profit of 340 lakhs. And if at all the price reduces, then in that case you should construct 10 units, and with construction of 10 units you will get an amount of 150 lakhs. This is what we understand. So now friends, we understand that what the company should do in the different situation is clear to us. That say today if at all you are constructing, then you must construct 10 number of units, and in that case you will get an amount of profit of 200 lakhs. If at all the price increases, then in that case say we are required to construct 15 number of units, and in that case you will get the profit of 340 lakhs. If the price reduces, then in that case you should construct 10 number of units, and in that case you will get 150 lakhs. So in different situation what is to be done is very clear to us. Now where the management is stuck up, because these calculations are not something difficult for us to make. So what is the issue? The issue is that what you should do. Should you do construction right now, or should you wait for 1 year? Because if at all you wait for 1 year, then in that case it may happen that say the profit will increase, and it may happen that say the profit will decline. So what you should do? We understand that say here we are required to apply our expert knowledge, and we have to tell to the management that say what you should do. should you say construct the units right now, or you should construct the units after 1 year? We understand that say this vacant plot of the land, say that you are supposed to utilize today or after 1 year, that we are required to advise to the management. And this is what's the learning point that say we have in this question. How to take decision, I just explained that to you. However, at this point of time, my objective is to explain you that what is the question about. The question about that say what you should do. Should you do the construction right now, or should you delay by 1 year? Because if at all in both the cases, suppose you are able to get say higher value than the like what you are receiving right now, then in that case management does not want your advice. In both the cases, if at all the management is getting less value, even in that case the management is not having any botheration. Over here the management requires your advice, because in one of the situation will become better, and in another situation the situation will become worse. That is the reason so the management wants you to take the decision that say what the company should do. This is the learning point that say we have say in this question. So what we are required to do, I just give an idea to you. Understand importantly, we will make the computation that say what is the probability that say the price will increase to 91 lakhs, and what is the probability that the price will decrease to 75 lakhs. For example, there are 80% chances the price will increase and you will get 340 lakhs. And there are 20% chances the price will fall down and you will get an amount of 150 lakhs. So probability into profit, this is what we understand is the expected profit, and this expected profit is at the end of the year. It will be discounted in present value term. We'll compute the present value of this amount to be received at the end of the year. Suppose the present value is exceeding 200. Then in that case we will take the decision that say you should do the construction after 1 year. What is the number of units to be constructed, for that say there is no doubt. However, when to start the construction is important. Suppose the present value comes to an amount of 250 lakhs. Then in that case we understand that say you should start construction after 1 year, and the current value of the vacant plot of the land is 250 lakhs. And suppose this answer is less than 200. Suppose this answer is 180 lakhs. Then in that case we understand that say you should do the construction today itself, and the construction should be done which will fetch you a profit of 200 lakhs. Yeah. Let us now have understanding, let's say how to make the calculation of this answer. Friends, over here we will apply the risk neutral method for doing answer. In which we will make the calculation of what is the probability of the price increase and what is the probability of the price decrease. That is what say we are going to do, and based on that say we are going to make the calculation of the expected profit and present value of the expected profit. Okay, now write down answer of the question. Working note number 1. Calculation of profit or loss for construction today and after 1 year. So column number 1 is year, price, number of units, and profit or loss. That is what say we will do. Year 0, the price is 80 lakhs because for that so there is no variation. Number of units are 10. What would be the profit or loss? 80 lakhs into 10, that is 800 lakhs minus 600 lakhs. That comes to an amount of 200 lakhs. This is what say we understand. Same year 0, 80 lakhs, and you construct 15 units. Then in that case what will happen? It is 80 lakhs into 15, so 1200 minus 1025 lakhs. So that comes to 175 lakhs. We make a selection over here. Now year 1, in that so there are two prices. The price may decrease to 75 lakhs, 10 units. What will be the profit or loss? That we will calculate. So what will happen over here? 75 lakhs into 10 minus 600 lakhs. That comes to an amount of 150 lakhs. Again 75 lakhs, 15. So 75 lakhs into 15 minus 1025. So what will happen? Double 125 minus 1025. So you will get an amount of 100 lakhs. Then 91 lakhs. In the 10 units. So 91 lakhs into 10, 910 minus 600 lakhs. That comes to 310 lakhs. Then 91 lakhs and you construct 15 units. So 91 lakhs into 15 minus 1025. So 91 into 15, so 1365 minus 1025. That is 340. Final answer. So we understand that say in year 0, 200 is better than 175. So 10 number of units we should construct. End of year 1, if at all the price falls, then in that case 150 is better than 100. Year 1 end, if at all the price increases, then in that case say 340 is better than 310. Read on with paragraph. This is something important, so be careful to understand it. Based on above working, we can conclude that the company should construct 10 units today or after 1 year, if price falls, 10 units and 15 units if price increase. Full stop. With paragraph write down, if the company will wait for 1 year, comma, profit may increase or may fall down. Full stop. Increase from rupees 200 lakhs to rupees 340 lakhs, or it may fall down from rupees 200 lakhs to rupees 150 lakhs. So importantly, the company is required to decide when to construct apartment. Full stop. Now in that write down working note for calculating price of apartment at the end of year. Why do we prepare this working note? I just explained that to you in 2 minutes. However, at this point of time, I want you to tell me what would be the price of the apartment at the end of the year. Now here is the very important point that comes, that forward is equal to spot plus interest minus dividend, and this time the dividend is not there, but that is a rent. Because we may not have constructed the flat, we may not. However, similar to us, the apartment units would be there in the market. What is the current price? Current price is 80 lakhs. Someone who is making investment in that apartment unit will have the time value of money carrying cost at the rate of 10%. However, say that flat is having the rental income of 7 lakhs. So the price of the flat will increase 80 lakhs plus 8 lakhs minus 7 lakhs, that comes to rupees 81 lakhs. So we understand that say the price of the flat will increase from 80 to 81 lakhs. As we do in case of the futures price of a security, spot plus interest. Why? Because your funds is blocked in the security. However, whatever the dividend that you receive, being holder of the security, to that extent the cost of holding the security reduces. So we deduct the dividend. This is the concept which is applicable over here. So write an answer. After making this calculation of probability of price increase using risk neutral method. In the breakdown, probability price, I assign x variable to it, probability into x. The price may increase to 91 lakhs. The price may decrease to 75 lakhs. P is the variable assigned to the price increase. So 1 minus P is the variable assigned to the price decrease. So this is 91 lakhs into P. 75 lakhs into 1 minus P. So it is 75 lakhs minus 75 lakhs P. What would be the expected price? Expected price is 81 lakhs. Expected price is what we have computed above. Now we will solve this equation and we will make the calculation of the P. So we understand that say 91 lakhs P minus 75 lakhs, plus 75 lakhs minus 75 lakhs P is equal to 81 lakhs. 91 minus 75, that comes to I think 16 lakhs. P is equal to 81 lakhs minus 75 lakhs. So P is, numerator is 6 lakhs. In division we have 16 lakhs. So 6 divided by 16, that comes to 0.375. This is what we understand is the probability of the price increase. Now if at all you want to understand with the other formula, the way we have done it earlier, then in that case you have to adjust the formula to some extent. Because what will happen, you will receive the dividend income. So to the extent of the dividend that you receive, that is the rental income, to that extent the cost of holding reduces. So it is the rental income divided by spot price. So 7 lakhs is the rental income on 80 lakh rupees of the value of the asset. So it is 8.75% you get out of the dividend only. So what will happen, it is 1 plus RF minus dividend yield. This is given a technical name as the dividend yield. So 1.10 minus 8.75% minus D upon S, 75 upon 80, whole divided by U minus D, so U minus D upon S. So it is 91 minus 75 divided by 80. That comes to 0.20. And ultimately you will get the answer 37.5%. Chalo, students are requested to pay attention. We understand something like this. That's the company has basically two options. Either to do construction today or to wait for 1 year. If at all it is doing construction today, then in that case, today it is supposed to do construction of 10 number of units. And in that case, you will get an amount of rupees 200 lakhs. Now, after 1 year, the price may be 91 lakhs or it will be 75 lakhs. Probability, this is 0.375 and this is 0.625 and this 0.625 is found as balancing figure. That is what we understand. Okay. Now, if at all the price increases, then in that case, what is your profit? Your profit is 340 lakhs, which we have computed. I hope you are clear with that. If the price decreases, you will make a profit. Not like you will not make a profit. You will make profit of 150 lakhs. So now, probability into payoff. What will happen? 340 lakhs into 0.375. You'll get 127.5 lakhs. So it is 0.375 into 340. In the next case, you'll get 62.5% chances you'll get 150 lakhs. That is 93.75 lakhs. Okay. So what will happen? 127.5 plus 93.75, that comes to 221.25 lakhs. Okay. Now you have got both the profits. One is of year 0, another is end of the year. Now what we can do? Calculation of present value of expected profit. It is equal to 21.25 lakhs divided by 1.10. Simply 10% is the discounting factor. Just a minute. So 221.25 divided by 1.1. That comes to 201.14 lakhs. Okay. Now this is the amount of the profit that you have in present value term. Is it more than 200? Yes, it is more than 200. So what is your advice to the company? Your advice to the company is that you should do construction after 1 year. And what is the current value of the land? Current value of the land is 201.14 lakhs. That is the current value of the land. Shall I write an answer further? The company is advised to start construction after 1 year. Full stop. Construct 10 units comma if price falls comma construct 15 units if price rises. Friends, over here we have to understand that whatever the decision that say we take can have like better effect, because the profit may increase from 200 lakhs to 340 lakhs. At the same time, management must be informed that whatever the decision that we take may result into lower profit, and that lower profit at the end of the year. However, so this is what we understand is the way we take the decision. Neither we be optimistic and we do, that is say we delay the construction by 1 year, nor say we are being pessimistic wherein we do the construction right now. Because if at all you are pessimistic, you have a fear that the price will fall and the profit will decrease from 200 to 150. So in that case you will do construction right now, but that is wrong. At the same time, if at all you are optimistic that the price will definitely increase, even in that case you may prove to be wrong. So we are having this probability distribution method for the purpose of decision making. I am just reading the question once again. Mr. Ramesh owns a plot of the land on which he intends to construct apartment units for sale. Number of apartment units to be constructed may be either 10 or 15. So regarding the number, we have two options. Total construction cost for these alternatives are estimated to be 600 lakhs or 1025 lakhs respectively. The current market price of each apartment unit is 80 lakhs. So right now this apartment unit has a value of 80 lakhs. The market price after a year for the apartment units will depend upon the market condition. If the market is buoyant, each apartment unit will be sold for 91 lakhs. If it is sluggish, the sale price of the same will be 75 lakhs. Determine the current value of the vacant plot of the land. Answer of this question is, what we have recently calculated is 201.14 lakhs. So we understand that say the current value of vacant plot of land is rupees 201.14 lakhs. Should the Ramesh start construction now or keep the land vacant? So the answer is that say you should keep the plot of the land vacant for 1 year. The yearly rental per apartment unit is 7 lakhs. So this is the dividend information. Risk-free rate of return is 10%. Assume the construction cost will remain unchanged. Like that information is given. This is a question asked in examination for 5 marks.